Hi everyone. This was a question raised on certain groups actually. Thought of doing this video then installing and configuring Visual VS Code editor, which was easier than Visual Studio to run a C language. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install VS Code. So I'm going to search VS Code, uh, uh, code, and there I will find Visual Studio Code editing. So I'll click here. So because this is much more easier than the Visual Studio, so it's quite easy and loading quite more faster, and you can download. Since I have Windows version, I can click on download, and once you click on that, what would happen when I click on that? So it will download this file onto my desktop. So I'm going to cancel that since I have downloaded this. So once it download into your machine, so it will be on your C, uh, on your program, on your desktop, on your machine download folder. So you need to go to the download folder to find out that download. So you will find that there. Okay, so I go to my so I copy that into my software folder. So I go to my software folder, because why, from there I have pasted to here some of the download. So I will find from there. Let me see VS Code. Yeah, see VS uh, file is there. So you just double click and double click and install. You can easily do that. So I have installed that VS Code here. So I click on VS Code in there, right when I open that VS Code. So then I'm going to configure this to run C language. So I need to add some extension. So you have to click on this button to add some extension. So I type here C/C++. So where I'm going to install that component, or you have already installed that. So I need to install that as extension. At the same time, I need the application to run my coding. As I say, code runner. So you make sure that you will be installing this code runner, which is Janhan code runner. So I even installed that already even. So let me work with a small quick file. Let's say file, new file. All right, and I type here, and I have untitled file. I'm going to save this file on the desktop. Okay, let's say file, save as on the desktop, giving extension test my C file. So I say my test.c. Quite important to give the extension of C here, and I say so the C file is saved here. So that is where you can start working on your C coding. So I'm going to quickly write this basic C structure. I say so I have to include the header file, that is import and my main method of C language in with the data type. So I say main. So I'm going to print hello Danushka, so that word. So for me to run this, actually you have to press Control Alt and N. You have to press Control plus Alt plus N. Right, let's say Control N. So we run the file. There's something wrong in this file. Let's check what is happening in there. Okay, okay, let's see what is wrong in this, and remove